In this video, I will show you how to add nickname to your Facebook profile. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is open up your Facebook app. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. Click on your profile name. Click on other names. Click on type. Choose nickname. Then enter your nickname right here. Once you are done, hit on save, and the nickname will be added to your profile name on Facebook. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.